What's up, everyone? It's Jimmy. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of leftover cake. We've all been there staring down a half-eaten cake, wondering what to do with it. Fear not, my culinary comrades. I'm about to drop 10 mind-blowing recipes that will transform your leftover cake from oh no to oh yeah, cake pops, trifles, you name it, we're making it. So grab your aprons, preheat those ovens, and let's turn those cake scraps into culinary masterpieces. And make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future deliciousness. Let's make some decadent cake truffles. Crumble your leftover cake into a bowl. Add frosting, about half the amount of cake. Mix until doughy. Roll into balls and place on a sheet. Refrigerate for an hour. Dip in chocolate, add toppings. Instant gourmet. Ready for round two? Let's make some cake pops. Mix crumbled cake with frosting, just like for the truffles. Shape into balls, insert lollipop sticks, melt candy melts, dip pops, add sprinkles and chocolate drizzle. Let them set in a styrofoam block or stand. There you have it, the perfect party treat. Time to get fancy with a trifle. This one's all about those beautiful layers. Grab your leftover cake and cut it into cubes. Layer those cubes in a trifle dish with your favorite goodies like pudding, fruit, and whipped cream. Repeat those layers until your dish is full, ending with a flourish of whipped cream and sprinkles. This is a dessert that's as fun to assemble as it is to devour. Next up, we're all about portability with some adorable mason jar cakes. Grab your leftover cake and crumble it up again. Layer the crumbs in mason jars with your favorite frosting and fillings. Think chocolate cake with peanut butter frosting and chocolate chips, or vanilla cake with strawberry frosting and fresh strawberries. Screw the lids on tight, and you've got a grab-and-go dessert that's perfect for picnics or potlucks. Let's get cozy with some cake bread pudding. Turn your leftover cake into a warm, comforting hug. Cut your cake into cubes and toss them in a baking dish. Whisk together 3 eggs, 2 cups of milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, and your favorite spices. Pour the mixture over your cake cubes and let it soak. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown and bubbly. Get ready for a dessert that will make your taste buds sing. Get ready to have your mind blown because we're making brownies with leftover cake. Yep, you heard that right. To make these amazing brownies from leftover cake, you'll need 2 cups of leftover cake crumbs, 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Mix all ingredients together until it's all combined. Pour the batter into a greased baking pan and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20-25 minutes. The result? Fudgy, chewy brownies with a hint of cake-like goodness. Trust me, this one is a game changer. Enjoy your delicious brownies. Let's get started on making some delicious cookies. We're transforming leftover cake into delightful treats. Crumble your cake into a bowl and add in your favorite cookie dough. Mix it all together until it forms a dough, then roll it out and cut out your favorite cookie shapes. Bake those babies until golden brown and get ready for a cookie experience that's soft, chewy, and bursting with flavor. Ready for a sugar rush? Let's make a cake shake. This one is so simple, it's almost ridiculous. Grab your leftover cake, any flavor will do, and toss it in a blender. Add in some milk, ice cream, and any other flavorings you like. Blend it all together until it's smooth and creamy, and get ready to sip on the ultimate dessert beverage. Let's turn up the comfort with some cake crumb pudding. Crumble 2 cups of your leftover cake into a baking dish. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Pour that mixture over the cake crumbs and sprinkle on a generous layer of cinnamon. Bake it in the oven until it's set and bubbly around the edges. Serve it warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for the ultimate cozy dessert experience. Who says cake can't be breakfast? Let's make cake French toast. Slice your leftover cake into thick pieces. Whisk eggs, milk, cinnamon, and vanilla. Dip the cake slices in the mixture. Cook in a buttered skillet until golden brown. Serve with powdered sugar, fruit, and syrup. And there you have it, folks. 10 mind-blowing recipes to transform your leftover cake from made a magnificent. So the next time you have leftover cake, grab your apron, fire up that oven, and create some culinary magic. Thanks for joining me on this delicious adventure. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell.